So hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 41, and I'm so sorry that I'm posting this video so late. So let's start with the question that is first missing positive, and in this will be unsorted integer array nums, and we have to return the smallest positive integer that is not present in nums. And consider that the smallest positive integer we are considering it starts from 1 and not from 0. Okay. So for example, in this we are given 0, 1, 2, 0 are 1, 2 and 0 are present in the nums, but 3 is not present, so we have to return 3. And if similarly in example 2 we are having nums which is equal to 3, 4, minus 1 and 1, so the 2 is not present, which is the first smallest positive number. Okay, so and in this case 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 1 is again the smallest positive number that is missing from this. Okay, so just if you notice something, that a number which is negative and it is present in the array, that can never be the answer. Okay, so what we'll be doing is firstly we'll be handling that case, that for int I is equal to 0, I less than the length of the nums dot length I plus plus. What I'll be doing is, if I'll be encountering that if any number nums I is less than or equal to 0, I'll be setting it the out of the bound, because that's the also the answer, which is not possible ever. That will be equal to nums dot length plus 1. Okay, if the number is less than or equal to 0, in both cases it is not possible that we are having that as answer. Okay, so then again we'll be marking those indexes which are visited, that for int I equal to 0. Okay, I less than the nums dot length I plus plus, and here let's have that particular index which we'll be marking. The same strategy which we are applying from the last 2 days, mat dot absolute of nums I, and if we need the index, so we'll be subtracting -1 from this. Okay, and then we'll be checking that if that index is present in the array, that if index is less than nums dot length and nums of index is greater than 0, so in that case only we'll be marking it as negative. Nums of index will be equal to negative of nums of index. Okay, and at the end we'll be traversing through the array again, that for int I equal to 0, I less than the length of the nums and I plus plus, and we'll be checking that if any point we find a number any index which is marked as negative, which is not marked, that means that is a particular index which is not present in the array, and we have to return +1 that index, because it's a 1 based index, 0 based indexing array. So if nums I is greater than 0, that means that index has never been visited. Okay, so we'll be returning I plus 1. Else if this is not the case, we'll be just every index is marked, so we'll have to return nums of not length plus 1. Okay, now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets completed. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.